Do you want to use Focus Assist automatic rules in Windows 11? Well, we have your back. In this video, we will show you how to access it and how to set it up. And as always, for a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. To open Focus Assist, you'll have to open Windows Settings. Then go to System and look for Focus Assist. Find the Automatic Rules section and click on a filter or a rule. When I'm duplicating my display, you can turn it on or off. Inside it, turn this on to stop notifications when you're duplicating your display to an external monitor, for example, when you're giving a presentation. When I'm playing a game, priority only. Turn on this to hide notifications when you're playing a full screen game. When I'm using an app in full screen mode only, this one will turn on to hide notifications when you're using an app in full screen mode. You can also set the level of alarms and priorities only. For the first hour after Windows feature updates, the option is priority only, and you can just toggle it on and off. And you've also got during these times. You can choose a time period for when you want Focus Assist to be on. For instance, I have it set between 11 and 7 a.m. and priority only. You can adjust the start time, the end time. You can set its frequency to repeat daily, only on weekends or only on weekdays. You can set the priority level under alarms and priority only. And show a notification in Action Center when Focus Assist is turned on automatically. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.